Why do your days feel completely wasted? You planned everything, achieved almost nothing. The fix isn't discipline, it's design. Welcome in 5 minutes, change everything. Most students build routines completely backwards. They schedule tasks before scheduling energy. Your brain has a limited daily energy budget. Waste it early, you're done by noon. So what drains student energy fastest? Decision fatigue is drain number one. Every small choice silently costs energy. Phone notifications are drain number two. Poor sleep is drain number three. Now let's talk about the morning block. Morning sets your entire day's trajectory. Do not touch your phone first thing. Your brain enters reactive mode immediately. Instead, drink water, get sunlight fast. This activates your cortisol peak naturally. Now your brain is primed to focus hard. This is your deep work window. Protect it. Work in 90-minute focused study blocks. Your brain's ultradian rhythm loves this. Force focus past 90 minutes, it breaks. After each block, take a real break. Not scrolling, that's not a break. Walk, breathe, or just stare outside. This restores focus faster than you think. So far, morning, energy, and deep work. Now let's talk about meals and focus. Big, heavy lunches kill afternoon productivity. Eat light, keep your brain online. Now let's address the procrastination trap. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's avoidance. Your brain predicts pain before it starts. The cure is the 2-minute rule. Just commit to starting for 2 minutes. Starting creates momentum that pulls you forward. Let's talk about your environment next. Your environment shapes your behavior silently. Remove friction from your study space. Put your book on your desk overnight. This is called environmental design. It works. Now let's build your afternoon power block. Post-lunch energy naturally dips around 2 p.m. A 20-minute nap recharges your brain completely. Do not nap longer. You'll feel worse. After the nap, schedule creative problem solving. Save your hardest subjects for morning peaks. If this is helping you, hit subscribe now. Now let's talk about your evening routine. Your evening affects tomorrow's performance directly. Stop studying 2 hours before sleep. Your brain consolidates memory during sleep. Studying late actually erases your progress. Use evenings for review, not new content. The brain loves spaced repetition for retention. Review once today, and it's once in 3 days. This beats a cramming every single time. Now let's cover physical movement and study. Exercise increases BDNF, your brain's fertilizer. Even 20 minutes of walking transforms focus. And schedule movement between study blocks always. Sitting for hours collapses your brain function. Now let's recap everything covered so far. One hidden enemy destroys student routines completely. That enemy is perfectionism. It paralyzes you. Done is better than perfectly not started. Aim for B- effort, then improve iteratively. Now, what about social media during study? It takes 23 minutes to refocus after distraction. Phone in another room increases scores significantly. Use social media as a reward, should not default. Now let's address the night shutdown ritual. Write tomorrow's 3 most important tasks. This eliminates morning decision fatigue entirely. Dim your lights an hour before sleeping. Blue light screens delay sleep by hours. Replace screens with light reading or journaling. Consistent sleep and wake times build momentum. Even weekends, name same sleep and wake times, social jet lag destroys your week's performance. Now let's talk about stress and student burnout. Chronic stress shrinks your hippocampus permanently. Build a daily decompression window, non-negotiable. Hobbies, music, nature, all reduce cortisol fast. Rest is not laziness. It's strategic recovery. Let's cover your weekly planning system now. Every Sunday, plan the week in advance. Identify your 3 non-negotiable weekly priorities. Schedule those first and then fill around them. Now let's cover the power of morning mindset. Spend 2 minutes writing what you're grateful for. This primes your brain for positivity and focus. Now everything we've covered connects together. Now I'll give you the complete framework. Listen carefully. The Student Power Protocol has 3 pillars. Pillar 1, protect and maximize your energy. Sleep 8 hours, move daily, eat smart. Pillar 2, build unbreakable daily structure. Morning ritual, deep work blocks, evening shutdown. Pillar 3, recover as hard as you work. Nap, decompress, journal, and protect your sleep. These 3 pillars form your unbreakable daily system. Now let's put the full routine together visually. 6 a.m., wake up, water, sunlight, gratitude. 7 a.m., first deep work block begins now. 8:30 a.m., move, walk, stretch, or exercise. 9 a.m., second deep work block, second subject. 12 p.m., eat light, short rest, prepare. 2 p.m., strategic 20-minute nap, and set alarm. 3 p.m., creative work and problem solving time. 6 p.m., move again, decompress from the day. 8 p.m., light review, write tomorrow's task. 9 p.m., no screens, dim lights, wind down. 10:30 p.m., sleep. Brain consolidates everything learned. That's the Student Power Protocol, completely actionable. Don't try to change everything at once. Start with one habit. Do it for 7 days, then add one more, and compound the gains. In 30 days, your life transforms completely. The students who win protect their daily system. Your routine is your competitive advantage. Use it. If this helped you, now please share it now, subscribe now, and we post every single week. Hit the bell. We don't never miss a new video, next video. And why your memory fails during exams, the answer will completely change how you study.